Press duplicating key button. Select double standard and double-sided AB to enter key data. Check the original key can open cylinder. Select normal resolution. Use stopper to guide key position and fix the original key on the top level of the clamp. Click the image of automobile key clamp to start duplicating. Take out the original key, use stopper to guide same key position and fix a new key blank on the top level of the clamp. Press cut button to start cutting a new key. Please remember to close the safe gate. Cutting is done. Open the safe gate. Clean the clamp and new key. Take out the new key. The new key is working very well. Amazing!